Hi, good day. Please introduce yourself.
I'm Idolmi Dumasig, 36 years old, married, and I have two kids, one girl and one boy. The girl is 16 years old and the boy is 10 years old.
What is your education?
I finished associate in hospitality management.
How many brothers and sisters do you
I have
have?
two sisters and one brother.
What is your number in the
I
siblings?
am the eldest in the family.
Please tell me about your working experience as a housemaid before.
I serve one couple with two kids, three years old girl and 1 year old boy. I do all the household chores like cleaning, washing, car washing, and I do the cooking and marketing.
Okay, in which country did you work?
The Philippines.
Do you have any working experience abroad?
No.
This is your first time, right?
Yes, sir.
So if ever you will go to abroad or especially in Hong Kong, if you have homesick, how can you avoid it?
Um, I will just treat my employer as my family and focus on my work.
Who will take care of your kids when you work there?
My husband.
Okay. Do you know how to taking care of newborn baby?
Yes, sir.
If the baby is crying, what will you do?
If the baby is crying, I will check his diaper. If the baby is still crying, I will sing a song and feed him with his milk and get a temperature.
If the baby or children is naughty, what will you do?
I will sing them a song and
Do you have a long patience for them?
yes, sir.
Can you sing a nursery song for them?
Yes, sir.
Can you sing now?
Yes, sir. Row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is just a dream.
Are you scared dogs and cats?
No, sir, because I have dogs in our home.
Do you have any allergy?
No, sir.
Okay. What food can you cook?
I can cook native and Filipino food.
Okay.
But
Do
I'm
you
willing to learn Chinese food.
Okay? Do you love cooking?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you rate yourself in cooking? It's good or excellent?
Good, sir.
Okay. If ever your employer want you to do the car washing without extra pay, are you okay?
Yes, sir. It's okay.
If ever there is an elder person assist them all their needs, are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise to cut your shirt before you come to Hong Kong if the employer needed so?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to loan money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if ever your children is very high fever or not feeling homesick, feel sick, what will you do?
I will just send them the financial, sir.
Okay, if ever in the Hong Kong, if they were the children that you need to take care and have a not feeling well, what will you do?
If the children have fever, I will put full fever and I will tell the parents with the condition of the baby.
Okay, lastly, what is your message to your future employer to hire you?
To my future employer, please hire me as a helper. I am loyal, cheerful, I'm willing to work under pressure, and I promise to finish the 2 years contract as long as the employer needs me. And I'm willing to obey the rules and instructions of my employer.
Okay, thank you. See you in Hong Kong.
Thank you.